Hello students, now I am going to continue the chapter mensuration of standard 10, exercise 7.3, example number 6. So in figure the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter and measure arc MBN is equals to 60 degree. So here you are given the figure, see the figure. So you are given that is the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter and the measure arc MBN. So this measure of this arc is given that is 60 degree. So you have to find out the area of the circle, area of sector that is O dash MBN. So you have to find out the area of this total arc, and also we have to find out the area of arc O dash MCN. So O dash MCN. So this major arc. So see here are given R is equals to 7 centimeter and theta is 60 degree. So first we have to find out the area of the circle. So we find it by using the formula pi r square. So using 22 upon 7 for the value of pi. R is 7 into 7. So by solving this we get that is it is 154. After that we are going to find out the area of minor arc, that is MBN, O dash MBN. So area of O dash MBN. So you know the formula for minor arc, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So here by using this value we get the value of theta is 60 upon 360 into, we just find out here the value of pi r square, that is 154. Just I put here, or instead of writing this we can also put the value of pi as a 22 upon 7, r is 7 upon 7, but we already find out the value, so we're just going to put down here that is 154. So 60 upon 360 into 154. So by reducing this we get that is 25.666, which is approximately equals to 25.7 centimeters square. So here we find out the area of total circle, also we find the area of minor circle. So now we're going to find out the area of major arc. Here we find the area of minor arc and sector of minor sector, and now we're going to find out the area of major sector. So by subtracting the area of minor sector from the area of circle, you will get the area of major circle. So here we have to use the formula, that is area of O dash MCN, that is major sector, is equals to area of circle minus area of minor sector. So 154 we are given, it is minus 25.7, we find it here. By taking subtraction we get 128.3 centimeters square. Now the next example, example number 7. The radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter and the perimeter of sector, that is P dash ABC, is 12.8. Then find the area of P dash ABC. Means we have to find out here the area of minor sector. But in this example we are given the radius is 3.4 and we are also given the perimeter of the sector. Now see what is the meaning of perimeter. So perimeter includes all these parts. So this one, that is the length of the arc, 2 radii. So by taking the addition of these three parts we will get the perimeter of the sector. So see, perimeter of the sector P dash ABC is equals to this R plus length of the arc ABC. So you are given that is the perimeter is 12.8. So we just put down here 12.8. Radius is 3.4. Similarly this one is 3.4 and length of the arc we have to find out. So by solving this we will get that is length of the arc is equals to 12.8 minus 6.8, which is equals to 6 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the area of this sector, minor sector. So you know the formula. Since in this example we are given the we find here the length of the arc and also you are given the radius, we use the second formula of the area of sector, that is L into R upon 2. Here the length is 6 centimeter into radius is 3.4 upon 2. So the answer is 10.2 centimeter square. Now the example number 8. So in figure, so this is the figure. O is the center of the sector. Angle ROQ, see here angle ROQ and angle MON, both having the same measure, is nothing but the 60 degree, means this angle is of 60 degree we are given. Next one, OR is 7, see here this length is OR, it is 7, and OM up to this one it is 21 centimeter, and we have to find out the length of the arc RXQ. So we have to find out the length of this RXQ as well as the arc MYN, and we are given the value of pi is 22/7. So see here for the arc RXQ, so radius we are given it is 7 and angle we are given it is 60 degree. Same for the MYN, here the radius we are given that is 21 centimeter. For this we consider it is R1, and for this is it is considered to be the R. So R1, that is OM, we are given 21 centimeter, and the major arc MYN like this one. So this is you are given that is angle is 60 degree, both having the same angle. Now we have to find out the length of the arc RXQ. Since we are given the formula, that is theta upon 360 is into 2 pi r, just putting the value 60 upon 360, 2 is as it is, and value of pi is 22/7 into r is 7. So by solving this we will get here 22/3, which is nothing but 7.3 centimeter. And a similar way we have to find out the length of arc MYN, same formula. So instead of writing r, we have to just write down the r1. So see, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r1. So theta, that is 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22/7. Here the r1 you are given is 21. So by reducing this we will get the answer, that is 22 centimeter. Now the next example, that is example number 9. So if the area of P dash ABC, now see P dash ABC means the sector you are given, that is 154 centimeter square. The radius of the circle, that is PC or PA, it is 14 centimeter. Then we have to find out the angle APC. APC we have to find out, and as well as we have to find out the length of the arc ABC. So we are given that is the radius is 14 centimeter. Next, area of this sector we are given is 154 centimeter, and the major arc theta APC is nothing but the major arc ABC, that is theta. So here we have to find out first the area of P dash ABC is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, you know the formula, and this area you are given, that is 154, is equals to theta upon 360 into 22/7 into 14 into 14. So by solving this we have to find out the theta, and the theta will be, by reducing all these numbers we will get theta is equals to 90. Just you have to reduce it, you will get the answer, theta is equals to 90 degree. After that we have to find out the area of sector, which is nothing but the formula by using, that is L into R upon 2. So area of sector, that is P, area of P dash ABC is equals to L means the length of the arc ABC into R upon 2. So here you are given that is it is 154, and length of the arc we have to find out, and the radius we are given that is 14/2. So by solving this we will get that is length of the arc ABC is equals to 22 centimeter. Next one, the example number 11 I am going to solve. The area of minor sector of a circle is 3.85 centimeter square, and the measure of its central angle is 36 degree. Then find the radius of the circle. See, you are given the area of minor sector, and you are given the central angle measure, and you have to find out the radius. So we have to use the formula, that is theta upon 360, that is area of minor sector is equals to into pi r square. So you are given the area, that is 3.85 in your example, and then next you have to put down, that is theta, that is 36 degree upon 360 into 22/7 into r square. So move all these numbers to one side, that is on the left side. So you will get the value of r square. So r square is equal to, just move this 360 here. So 3, I just remove this point here. So 385 upon 100 into 360 into 7 upon 36 into 22. So by solving this, we'll get that is r square is equals to 2695 upon 220. And by solving this, we'll get that is 12.25, which is the square root of the 3.5 centimeter. Here the value of r square is 12.25. So by taking square root, we'll get r is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now the next example, example number 13. So here you are given the figure, that is equilateral triangle LMN, and you are given the 3 sectors here. So see the example. Triangle LMN is the equilateral triangle. LM, see here the side of the equilateral triangle. LM is here given, that is 14 centimeter, and in figure 3 sectors are drawn. So see here, this one is the first sector, this is second, and this is third one. Are drawn with the vertices as a center. We are given these are the these are drawn with the vertices as the center, and the radius is 7 centimeter. And we have to find out the area of triangle LMN, area of any one sector, then total area of all 3 sectors, and area of shaded portion. So this one is the area of shaded portion. So 4 things we have to ask in this example. So you are given that is it is a equilateral triangle. So side of the equilateral triangle you are given that is 14 centimeter. So the formula of area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So root 3 upon 4 into 14 square. You are given the side. So by putting the value, root 3 is 1.732 into, by reducing this will get that is 84.868, and converting to 2 decimals, so 84.87 centimeter square. So this is the area of equilateral triangle. Next, for the sector L dash XZ. So see here L dash XZ. So L dash XZ. So we have to find out first the area of this one sector. You can take any sector because all are same. Radius is again 7 centimeter. The angular measure of theta, since it is a equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. So measure arc XZ, that is angle XLZ. See here angle XLZ, it is of 60 degree since it is a equilateral triangle. So area of sector L dash XZ is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So by solving this or by reducing, we will get 154 upon 6, which is nothing but 25.666, which is approximately equals to 25.67 centimeter square. So this is the area of one sector, that is this sector, and all the sectors are same. So for finding the area of 3 sectors, we have to take just, or we have to multiply this answer by 3. So here see the total area of 3 sectors is equals to 3 into area of sector, that is L dash XZ, which we find it as a 25.67 into 3. So by solving this, we'll get 77.01 centimeter square. So it is the total area of 3 sectors. And the last one, that is the area of shaded portion. So this one is the shaded portion. So for that, first we have to find out the area of triangle, equilateral triangle, which we already find it, which is nothing but the 84.87 minus, we have to subtract the area of all these 3 sectors, which we also already find it, that is 77.01. So area of shaded portion is equals to area of triangle LMN minus total area of 3 sectors. So area of triangle is 84.87 minus 77.01. By taking subtraction, we will get here 7.86. So this is all about the exercise 7.3 of this chapter. The remaining concept we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.